Hi everyone, it's Heidi with WTI. And how special is it to have something customized just for you? Well, that's what you get with IT Cosmetics Je ne sais quoi, Your Perfect Pink Lip Treatment. It's super light in the tube, but wait until it hits your lips. It reacts with the warmth of your lips to create a beautiful, moisturized color. Oils and butters combine to make my lips so super soft. It gives such a beautiful natural look that I can wear it casually doing errands, or I can pair it with a dramatic smoky eye. I just love that I've found my perfect pink color. And if you're looking for yours, I highly recommend IT Cosmetics Je ne sais quoi, Your Perfect Pink Lip Treatment. And that's my point of view.